Alright, Chapter 1 Summary, Module 14, Navy Electronic Electricity Training Series Summary, Chapter 1. This topic presented with the information of the developer, the manufacturer of the manufacturer of the microelectronic device, and the information file with the summary important points of the topic. Vacuum tube circuit is most modern military equipment. They unacceptably cover the size, weight, and power use. Discovery of the transistor in 1948 marked the beginning of the microelectronics. Printed circuit board reduces the weight and eliminates point-to-point wiring. Integrated circuits consist of the elements inseparable associated formed on within a single substrate. Integrated circuits are classified in three types: monolithic, film, and hybrid. The monolithic integrated circuit is called a chip or die. It contains both active and passive elements. And then it shows the film components of passive element, either resistor, capacitor, hybrid, integrated circuits, combination, monolithic film, or film, and discrete components, any of the combination thereof. They allow flexibility in the circuits. Alright, rapid development has resulted in increased reliability, availability, reduced cost with a higher element density, large scale, and very large scale integration allow thousands of the elements in a single chip. Monolithic integrated circuits are produced with the definition and epaxyl methods. Diffuse elements penetrate the substrate, and epaxyl do not. Shows the emitter non-positive, negative positive, base positive collector, negative epaxyl layer, emitter base collector, silicone substrate. The illustration production method of preventing the unwanted interaction between the elements within a chip. The thin film elements are produced with evaporation or cathode sputtering techniques. Thick film elements are screened onto the substrate. Most common type of the integrated circuits are two transistor outline, flat pack, and dual inline. Flip chips and beam lead chips are techniques that have developed eliminated bonding wires and improved packaging. Inverted die bonding paths of surface the package pedestals, aluminum dioxide substrate, lead, and deposited conductors. Alright, your beam lead oxide, negative, positive, negative. The dual inline package is being used at very large scale. What was it? I believe it's integration. Very large scale integration, very large scale integration produced up to 64 pins are designed fulfill speed, specifically view for the top of the dual inline packages. Flat pack leads are numbered in counterclockwise from the reference mark. Viewed from the bottom, the transistor outline 5 leads are numbered clockwise from the tab. Top view, flat pack, bottom view, tab. Numbers and letters, schematics, integrated circuits identified in type of the integrated circuits. Knowledge of terminology of the microelectronic packaging concept will aid in becoming effective technician. Standard terminology has been adapted by the Navy to easy communication. Microelectronics in the area, and this is the area of technology associated with electronic systems designed with extremely small parts for the element. A microcircuit is a small circuit which is considered a single part composed of elements within a single substrate. Microcircuit module assembly. A microcircuit with a combination microcircuit of discrete components packaged as a receptacle unit, replaceable unit. Miniature electrons or card assemblies modules composed exclusively with a discrete electronic component system. Packaging refers to the design of the system, taking into account the environmental electronic character of the assets and maintainability. Package levels 0, 1, 2, 4 are used to identify assembly within a system. Package levels are filed. Level 0 with an non-repairable resistor diodes or so forth. Level 1, submodules attached to circuit cards. Level 2, circuit cards and motherboards. Level 3, drawers. Level 4, cabinets. The most common method of interconnection of the conventional printed circuit board is the multi-layer printed circuit board and modular assemblies. Connector tabs, dual-sided circuit board, glass epoxy base, glass epoxy. The best method of interconnecting for the multi-layer printed circuit board is over the clearance hole with the plated through the hole and layer buildup. Modular assembly derived with they achieve higher circuit density. Modular assemblies are progressed with the core wood modules through the micromodules. Micromodules consist of the film components, discrete components integrated with hybrid circuits. Environmental factors to consider with the temperature, humidity, shock, vibration, and radio frequency interference. Backing plated conductors, deposit epoxy, window, plate conductors, window, deposit epoxy, repeated plating process. Electrical factors overcome using shield and ground planes by careful placement of components. Alright, you have your metal heat sink frame, radio frequency shielding, metal for the radio frequency shielding, printed circuit board, integrated circuit devices, mounting holes, cabling, connector shield, input and output, and that was Chapter 1 summary.